This is a calendar of skincare products that are all sustainably sourced. This is the AHAVA calendar. Let's see what it has. Day 1 is the Purifying Mud Mask. Excited for this. This is going to wind up in a battle. We have battles over here. These are all deluxe sample sizes. Day 2 says, time to clear all-in-one toning cleanser. Oh, so you can do a mask and then cleanse and be sure, or I think I would do the mask after and do this first. I think I would too. Day 3 says that this is a creamy textured mask for intense hydration. Oh, that's helpful when the weather gets nippy cold and your skin gets dry. True. This is AHAVA Hydration Cream Mask. Day 4 is a sheet mask with Dead Sea minerals and botanicals to instantly boost your skin and diminish early signs of aging. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, that could be a Mask Monday. Oh, and you're gonna peel it off your face. I don't like those. Yuck! But they do have good properties in them. True. Day 5 is a bar of soap. Mineral mud soap for body. Day 6 is the AHAVA Danuelia? I don't think I said that right. Algae Refresh and Smooth Peel-Off Mask. That's what it looks like. She's not wild about peel-off masks, but she might try this one. It would be intriguing. I am intrigued, and I think I might try this one, even though I don't like peel-off masks. I don't like watching her peel them off either, but this does sound intriguing. Anyone else out there try that? Let us know. Day 7 says get ready to be sun-kissed with floral and sea notes. And we took a little sniff. It has a nice fresh scent to it. Yes, so this is the AHAVA Dead Sea Water Mineral Shower Gel. Day 8 is a clearing treatment. This is mineral mud. How unique is that? I think I once before tried a Peter Thomas Roth mud mask. I've not tried the AHAVA. I will now. Day 9 is 1.3 ounces. It's called Vivid Burgundy. We took a little sniff. It's a little bit on the strong side, sort of a heavy, fresh scent, if that makes any sense at all. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. AHAVA Mineral Hand Cream Vivid Burgundy. This next one says it is a peel, yet the directions say to just rinse off. We'll have to try it and find out how it works. This is 8 milliliters AHAVA Facial Renewal Peel. Oh, I was trying to read the rest of it, but it's written, I think, in French. Day 11 is 15 milliliters of a hyaluronic cream. AHAVA Hyaluronic Acid 24/7 Cream for hydration. Always use a little extra hydration. At the halfway point, we get 24 milliliters of salt. I have to read the back of this because I'm kind of semi-clueless here. Prepare yourself for a new skincare experience with this one-of-a-kind liquid salt gel, enriched with an extremely high concentration of Dead Sea minerals. Massage over your body, avoiding your face. Rinse after 2 minutes, and it is approved for sensitive skin. I'm excited about this one. This looks definitely unique. Yes, it certainly does. If you're liking what you're seeing so far, we do have a code down below that's supposed to save you a bit of change at their website, not just on the calendar, but on whatever you might choose to be purchasing. I can't pick a favorite. I'm enamored by everything I'm seeing. If you're liking what you're seeing, in addition to considering purchasing from their website, consider subscribing to our channel for more fun and exciting videos. And now, moving right along with this video, Day 13, and we are noticing that it looks like there was some of the internal box packaging rubbing off on the outside of some of the products, but I don't think it's damaged the products in any way. This is called Clear. It's 15 milliliters Time to Clear Facial Mud Exfoliator. Oh, wow, we're getting lots of neat stuff. Day 14 is also 15 milliliters. It says it's a moisturizer. AHAVA Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer for Normal to Dry Skin. This has lots of moisturizers and really neat things. Yes, I've tried some of their products before, but I've never really done the proverbial deep dive into what they have. So I thought an advent calendar is the perfect time for a deep dive into a brand. So I picked AHAVA for my deep dive brand. Day 15 is a mineral mud for brightening. Yes, mineral mud brightening and hydrating facial treatment mask with 100% Dead Sea mud. Guess I'm going to be playing in the mud. This is a shower gel. It says it has aloe vera in it. All kinds of neat stuff in here. AHAVA Dead Sea Water Mineral Shower Gel. This is an overnight mask. Apple of Sodom. I'm not sure I said that correctly. How interesting. Overnight deep wrinkle mask. Huh. Well, guess I'm going to give it a try. Day 18 is their shampoo. I hope we get the conditioner. Yeah, I like it when we get a shampoo and the corresponding conditioner. We shall see. This is their Dead Sea Water Mineral Shampoo, 40 milliliters. Day 19 is another facial sheet mask. This one is Beauty Before Age Uplift Sheet Mask with patented Dead Sea metabiotics and Dead Sea minerals for lifted, revived looking skin. I knew there was going to be a lot of neat stuff in here, but wow! There's a lot of neat stuff in here. Next is an Extreme Radiance Lifting Mask. And there's enough product. It says 8 milliliters. There's enough in here that I'm thinking this is easily 2 uses, possibly 3. There's a good amount in these little packages. We have a hand cream. This is 40 milliliters AHAVA's Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream called Sea Kissed. How cute is that for a name? We are at day 22, winding up for a big finale, hopefully. This is the AHAVA Hyaluronic Acid Leave-On Mask. And it was, itty-bitty little print, 15 milliliters. Oh, now this sounds and looks bougie. Yes, it does. AHAVA's 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. Like I said, I knew these were all going to be sample sizes, deluxe sample sizes. Hey, I'm game to try this one. 24 karat gold, come on over. Day 24 gives us a special sheet mask. Yes, apparently this has got safe retinol in it. So this must be plant-based. It says it is P-retinol sheet mask, safe retinol, firming, and anti-wrinkle. And it indicates on the back that the concentrated formulation is to revitalize your features, and patented complex infused with fruit mix, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. That's pretty good for a 24-day calendar of deluxe and sample sizes. Ends with a plant-based sheet mask. I'm impressed, are you? I'm impressed. And just as an added little bonus, they gave us some extra samples. So this is really a nice bonus. This is the AHAVA Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. I think we may have already had this in the calendar. I'm so excited about everything that's in there. I can't remember what we got and what we didn't. And they also sent 3 tiny packets over here, if I can get a hold of them. 3 little gold foil packets. We have Crystal Osmoter. We have, oh, I see, these are all Crystal Osmoters. The first one was a serum. This next one is a smoothing cream. And this last one is an eye serum. Hey, that's pretty neat. Yeah, I'm impressed. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what I like to do. We have a code that will save you 30% off your first order from their website. We knew that these were sample sizes, 24 days, plus they said 2 free samples, but that pack had 30 in it, so I don't know. That's a good amount of extra samples. It was $150, which would make each day $6.25. It was on sale for $140. I was able to find it on special, so we got it for $105, which makes each one $4.38. I think that's neat. I'd give you $4.38 for each of those. To be exact, I did give them $4.38 for each of those. I think it's well worth it. I wanted to try more from this brand, so this is a good way to take a deep dive on in, is get their advent calendar. Then you can see what works and what doesn't. Let's see, what else do I have here to say about this? It's bringing the benefits of Dead Sea for skin vitality. It's sourced with sustainable methods, and there are no harmful ingredients. So what do you think? Have you tried any of their products? Let us know. Inquiring camels always want to know. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, because we got all kinds of fun stuff for Advent season. Don't forget to share the video if you can. And we do hope to see you on another video. Happy holidays!